Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with another haul video. It's like whatever I shopped here. So I've shopped like couple of accessories in Germany for me, for my family. So I'll just show that. And yeah, if you're not watched my other haul videos, I'll put a link here if it's already posted. If not, be active on my channel, just so you can catch up with. So we have a Primark here, and Primark actually has like good stuff. I feel like they have like reasonable prices one, or of offers one. So I've got this set of neck piece, and it was like I guess €2. It was actually €4, but it was an offer, so I got it for €2. And you have multiple chains you can use, so different ones. So this is the first one I've got. I've also got another set of earrings. This is the earring set which I've got. This is also €4, but I've got it for €2, something like that. So you have different earrings, like pairs of earrings, and I really think it's like worth it. So I've got this. I've got two of them, the similar ones, so I can use one, and I can give it to my sister or my niece. So these are the two earrings. I've got these rubber bands. These were like 50 cents, so it was like some like 30 rupees or so. You've got multiple bands. I've got another one similar, and then I've got these clips. Another store called Six, buy 3 pay for 2, something like that. So I've got this hair clips from them. I really like these hair clips, they're so nice. And I really like this box of, I think this one is not from here. There's a store called Depot where you get home items. So I bought this there. It was like nearly €2 or so, but I've put all my earrings here. So I've got this earring set. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up correctly, but yeah, this is the 3 pair of earring set, which I really like. They look like silver, but they're not. And I've got this pair of earrings. They're so pretty, pink color. Yeah, I really like these. And then I've got these little angel earrings. Can you see these angels? They are so cute. Can you see them? Like the angel sitting. So these are 2 earrings I've got. Then I've got this keychain for my bag. It's like a dream catcher. So I put all these in this box. I think I got this in Accessories. So this for my niece. It's a birthday, so I thought I'll get this for her. She likes the Elsa. And this is the keychain. This is not from Accesories, this is from Claire's actually. So I've got this set. It's like this, which says best friends, but these are actually 2 different chains. So I got it for my niece because they both are like my best friends. So I want them to be together always, and when they are together, they're my best friends. So yeah, I really like this. I thought it actually makes really good meaning for kids. So, and then I've got this cute little bracelet, but I really like this one. Then I've got these earrings. I really love them. They're so cute. It's actually you can actually wear it on multicolored dresses as well, like a set of all. Really like them. They're so nice. So you can see these are the multi finger rings. You can actually wear 1, 2, or you can actually have all. This is what I've got in Claire's. And then I've also got this hairpin set. I actually didn't notice that the other one is missing, but I already purchased it, so this is one. And then I really loved these 2 glasses. They were so cute. I really wanted them. Really like this. Isn't that so cute and nice? I love glasses. I love reading glasses, so I thought why not pick one, and they're like super cute. And the other one is like this. I really like the pink one more. I'll give one to my sister and one to me. Cute nail cutter, just a nail cutter, cute one. I've got a couple of from the 6 store, like, you know, buy 3 pay for 2. So I've got these, you know, hair clips. I really like them, they're so nice. And yeah, I've got this similar one, the other one I have a clip in, but these are two same. And I've got the third one like this pattern. They're so nice and sturdy actually. Got this cute little wallet, and you can use it 2 ways, like, you know, you can use it some cards or coins, and then you can actually put something here. And also you have a little zipper. I really like this. Got something like this. Yeah, so I've got this one. It's like a bag. You can open it, and then you can put all the cards, and then you have this, and you can actually have a chain, so you can use it as, you know, sling bag, or you can, you know, carry it like however you want. You have pouches there, and the best thing is you also have a zipper here at the top, so you have a compartment here, so you can put something you want. And yeah, that's really nice. I really like this. I thought it's very nice and thoughtful. It's a sling as well as it's a pouch. You can actually carry it like. And I've got this cute little eye, you know, the glass, what do you say, the box for holding the glasses. These are cute little owls. And I've also bought these glasses. I really like the detailing on these glasses. I like that. How is it? Do you like that? Yeah, I like these. And this glass case is not with the glasses, so I have to buy it. I've got this. I've also got another one. Also got this cover. I really love this one, so I bought this first, and I have got these glasses as well. I somehow like these. They're so cute. Not sure if you can see, there's not much detailing, but it's like plain. So this is the one. So these are the 2 phone glass covers. And then I've got this pouch. It was a little expensive, but I like the quality and the cloth. So little owls here, and you can put all the important papers or cards, and you also got a little card holder inside, but I'm keeping all the important papers, or, you know, something what I have to carry all the time. And then I've got these cute little hair bands for my niece. They can wear it, and also these 3 different ones. These also from Primark. These are like, you know, it was like €1. You can actually use to create curls to your hair. I've been to a store which is called DiaBeautyBlossoms, and there they really had awesome accessories. I really like the accessories they had there. And I've got this cute little coin purse. It's actually not leather, it's like rubber, and I really like it. And I've put some. Got these earrings. You can use it, you know, either ways. I really like them. You have these little stones in it. This is a chain. It's a long chain actually, and then you have a deer with all stones and little bow here. And then I have this bracelet. It's so nice. Really like this bracelet. It's so nice. The stones are very, very pretty. All this in this. And then I've also got another bracelet. Yeah, it's like a gold, you know, black metal. It's like mix of black and gold in color. But I love the stone detailings. And then this is another bangle type bracelet which I've got. This is like all stones. Got couple of makeup pouches, and because I have to travel back, so I want to keep everything safe. So I've got this from Primark. It says makeup magic. It's a big you know, it's a big size makeup pouch, and then you have also little zipper. I actually put this cover there. It says Douglas. Just memory. And then I've got the same size, the black one. It's really big because I can put most of the you know, drugstore makeup what I've got, the palettes. Then I've got this one. I really love this one. It's so cute. Can you see? It's so cute. It says avocado. So these are avocados. You can see all the avocados. It's pink in color, and also you have little zipper here. And these are really nice and big, actually, really big. See Nika pouches, and you can see the size difference in both. They're so big, and you can actually hold multiple things inside this. They're very, very good quality. And I've got another one in Tinkerbell, which is Tinkerbell. I actually got this to store makeup when I'm carrying. I don't want anything to be smashed or something like that. So they were, they had like, it was not expensive, not affordable as well. It was like normal. And then I've got this cute little one. It says today you will sparkle. I really like this one. You have this tassels here. Then these are the pouches I've got. So these are the accessories I've got. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And also, thanks for watching the video, and please stay tuned. I'll be getting more such videos soon, and I'll be doing a detailed I also bought something from Primark, so I want to do a dedicated video for Primark with whatever I bought, clothing or accessories or stuff like that. So yeah, thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.